natin ngayon, sina Brad, Christy, of PBB, and of course si Kim. Puro PBB. Ay, sumahabol si Shaina. Okay.
Enjoy to the XB level, lalo na kasama namin ang idols namin, sila Papa P, Sam, ID Girls, and ang saya talaga.
Ito si Papa P.
At kayo din guys, mga bagong idol na mga kabataang Pinoy. And ngayon naman, ano naman ang masasabi niyo sa mga fans niyo?
Thank you guys for the love and the support. Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you guys. Di ba ang sarap ng feeling after ng bahay ni Kuya, nandito kayo sa ASAP XB. Totoo yun. Ikaw talaga.
Yay!
So, good luck to your future endeavors in the business. Oh, good luck to your future endeavors. At para naman mas complete ang ating ASAP XB experience, please do... Oh, James, you are here!
Hello,
The
James!
best winner! Say hi to everyone. Oh, Sam Milby is also here. Oh, the guys are coming in. We are complete.
Kami ating visitor.
Yola, you want to plug something?
Yes, I'll be in Auckland, New Zealand on July 17. That's going to be a Saturday at 8 p.m. at the Trust Stadium Arena, Central Park, Henderson, produced by Zenilo Productions. Guys, don't forget, June 17 in Auckland, New Zealand. Thank you!
Thank you! Ay, yung sinasabi ko kanina, please do get a copy of the ASAP XB book kasi it's still out and pinipirmahan nila yung mga copies ng mga kapamilya natin dito sa studio. Kim?
Yes, at idagdag pa natin dyan ang Super Dance 2 album out na po sa mga music bars from ASAP Music and Star Records. Get a copy!
At lalo na from ASAP Lifestyle and Bomb Equipment, ang ASAP Apparel. Ang cute yun ni James. Ha, nakakatuwa kayo dalawa. Oo, talagang nabubuo ang mga bagong love team dito. Anyway, yan na lang ang gift natin sa ating birthday boy na Giger Boy. This is Full Circle with Robbie, Sam, AJ, Enrique, and birthday boy, Aaron, the Giger Boy!